1, 2, 3. We are learning numbers. Happy, happy, happy. Yo. 1 to 20 for kids. Yay. Kristan, what is this number?
1.
He said 1. What is this number?
2.
He said 2. What is this number?
3.
What is this number?
4.
What is this number?
5.
What is this number?
6.
What is this number?
7.
What is this number?
8.
What is this number?
9.
What is this number?
10.
What is this number?
11.
What is this number?
12.
What is this number?
13.
What is this number?
14.
I cannot find in word form. What is this number?
15.
What is this number?
16.
What is this number?
17.
What is this number?
18.
What is this number?
19.
What is this number?
20.
Yay! Now we're going to do 1 minute countdown. It's countdown time.
Yes, yes,
Yes! Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Time to watch this Google Drive video, guys. Yes. 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, we need 1,000 subscribers. Kristan, do you want 1,000 subscribers?
1,000 subscribers. 20.
Kristan, say yes.
No, yes.
Oh, he
No.
said yes. Don't forget to subscribe to Krista's channel and Cool Beats. That's my second channel, guys. Like, comment, and share. If you can't comment, just like, share, save, and subscribe. Okay? Bye-bye, everyone. See you on the next video.